I'm undecided as to whether I feel like this is my year. But it is the middle of the year, and I think it is really important to reflect upon the first half of the year, have a look at your goals, and decide how it is that you want the second half of your year to go. So last week I decided I really need to work out how I want to plan for my second half of the year. I stopped planning towards the end of the semester because it just got way too crazy, and I've just been playing catch up for the last couple of weeks. So I pulled out all my diaries and I actually filmed a little bit from Monday to Friday, each day of me working on my to-do lists and planning and testing out different methods to see what it is that I respond the best to. So I've put this together. It's a bit different. I've never filmed a video like this before, so I hope this is interesting. Do let me know in the comments below the methods that you like to use to plan and organize, because I'm always looking to try new things, and let's get started. It's Monday. Today is June 10. Today's a public holiday, so I actually didn't do a lot today, but I did just get back from the gym and I thought I need to get in and plan out this week. I need to plan out the next month, 3 months, and the rest of the year. Everything has been really busy since being at uni, and I just need to get in and do some planning. Since finishing this semester, I thought I would try my hand at digital planning. I've never really been into it, but I have downloaded Google Calendar, and you can actually see my whole month here, and it's great. I have a very busy week in the last week of June. All of these events are the kinds of things that I need to go out for. This doesn't include the things that I need to do from my desk in this space right here. So now I'm going to go through, plan out my week. Before I go any further, I'll probably have quite a few questions about the diary. So this is from Typo. I got this towards the start of the year. I'm not sure if you can get them anymore. It's 2019 diary. It's really beautiful. It has all the different months down here. At the beginning, it has all kinds of interesting informational things like public holidays. There's some zodiac stuff, just fun things, travel planners, notes, whatnot. So I have used it quite a bit, but then I slowed down a little bit, and now I think I'm ready to get back in and start using it again, because it is a really beautiful diary and I don't want it to go to waste. I can't remember the last time I sat down and even did this and just wrote out a bunch of thoughts and ideas and plans, and it feels so good. So I'm feeling really good about this week being more on top of planning. Yes, this is blurred because there are a few personal things on there. It does feel really good. So I'm gonna finish off my tea and maybe just scribble down some more thoughts and some ideas, and I will check in tomorrow. It's Tuesday and the afternoon sun is absolutely perfect in here. I have written down a lot of things, most of which I did yesterday afternoon. I've actually started 2 separate diaries at the moment. One is more of an expanding on some thoughts kind of a diary, and then the other one is more of a to-do list type diary. I'm still trying to find the groove. I feel like I'm making a bit of progress in working out how it is that I want to plan again. I feel like this is missing some color though, and it's a big mush of just mess. I actually quite like that it's a little bit messy and a little bit scribbly, but it needs some color. So I'm gonna get some highlighters and add some highlighters in there to make things a little bit more distinguishable, so when I glance at this I know what's going on. The afternoon sun today is incredible, and I spent this morning at the uni doing a little bit of feedback, so a big chunk of my morning kind of went to that, but that's okay. I've got a few things on my list that I would like to sit down admin wise that I've been trying to work on for like the last week, and it just hasn't happened. That's kind of why I'm trying to work out how I want to start planning things. I'm gonna be so classic and make a cup of tea, because I feel like anytime I sit down and I have to plan or I'm at my laptop, I just need a warm beverage. I forgot how much I love having an extra just plain notebook in addition to having an actual diary. So the reason I love my plain notebook is it just gives me a chance to expand on some of the ideas that I'm working with, any of the things on my to-do list, and I love it. It's been weeks, maybe even months since I've used one of these, so it feels really good to get back into this habit. It's now time for color. I don't know why rainbow is just so visually appealing to me, but I was obsessed with rainbow colors when I was a kid. It can't be like this. It had to look like this in this kind of color coordination. Is anyone else like me? You know, I honestly think this is probably why I still have quite a bit of color in my home, because as much as I tried to be neutral and simple, I just really love color. I decided to color coordinate everything in my diary to match everything in my Google Calendar, and I hate it. It looks so much better in my Google Calendar, and I hate this. I don't know why I did this, but at least I'm learning something. See, everything looks nice when it's in a nice order, but when it's just random colors splashed everywhere, I don't like it. I either need to use like 2 colors, 3 colors for me to find it visually pleasing. Otherwise, I get thrown off and I don't even want to look at my book. Anyway, look, I've made progress. I've tried things. I'm gonna get back to drinking my tea and chipping off some of these things from my to-do list. It's Wednesday and I'm still on the decision that I hate the highlighter. It's not for me. I don't like it. I like it in my phone, but not on my book. So I've just done a little bit of condensing, crossing some things off my to-do list, shuffling things around for the week, and I'm feeling a lot better. I have achieved a lot this week, but I still don't feel satisfied with planning. So this week is very messy, but it's a bit of trial and error to work out what I'm enjoying. Hate the highlighter, love the Google in my phone, and I'm really enjoying having an extra notebook to expand into. It's Thursday and I am really loving picking back up my notebooks. You can see that this one is very, very full. I use it as a way to expand all of my ideas, but also do some doodling, just drawing, getting my thoughts out. This one's actually almost full. It's from Kmart, and I go through notebooks pretty quickly. I just really enjoy this method. So I've got a few ideas and things that I need to expand on, so I'm going to get writing in here, and then I might come back later and just see how I'm tracking for the week with the rest of my things. I've actually just pulled out some post-it notes because I've got so many different things happening right now. I needed a bit of a visual representation. The only problem is that these post-it notes are so old that I don't even think they're gonna stick to the wall, so I might pick up some new ones when I head out today. Right now I'm going to try and use some post-it notes, some of the things that I need to keep track of. For example, videos. I have maybe 5 different videos on the go right now, and I just need to get them a little bit sorted. Okay, so I have a few post-it notes above my computer just with some videos that are coming up, ones that I'm currently working on or I'm about to start working on. I'm really excited to see this because I haven't planned out videos like this in a very, very long time, mostly just because I haven't had the time. As you can see, they're not sticking very well, so I think I will have to maybe get some new post-it notes, but for now, it's quite nice just to have this little visual representation of some of the things that I'm working on. It's Friday and I feel like I've made some serious progress this week. I've noticed that I've been just like doodling and just drawing random little things a lot in here, which is not so bad. I'm looking over this and I've got a few things that I need to tick off the list today, but I've actually managed to get through pretty much everything and catch up on everything last week, so that feels really, really good. I haven't really got anything written down here on like the weekend. I guess it's because I don't really do a lot of work stuff on the weekend, and I have like, you know, friends' birthdays and things this weekend, so that's why there's not really a lot there. I've been using the notes down the bottom here, which I find really helpful as well. Yeah, I think next week I'm really excited because it will be so much neater and not as messy because no highlighters. No highlighters. Also the post-it notes, love them. That's been amazing. And I hate the highlighters. I'm gonna keep these for my university work and doing my word searches, not for my diary. Loving my little post-it things. This video went live this morning, so that's out, but nice to have a little visual representation of what's going on. Desk is a little bit messy right now. Probably should tidy this up, but I'm feeling good about how I'm starting to plan. Got my notebook, the post-it notes, we'll ditch the highlighters, and I've got the diary. So that is a week of me trying to work out how I want to plan. I definitely feel a lot more organized as of this week, and like I have a little bit more direction, which is nice. And in conclusion, I have decided I definitely do not respond to highlighters in my book. Maybe if I had 1 or 2 colors, but not the full rainbow, I don't like that. However, love the colors in my Google Calendar, which is also a new addition to me. I can't believe I only started using Google Calendar about a month ago, and it is amazing, so I'm definitely going to keep using that. I do like the post-it notes on my wall. I just need to get some new ones that have a better stick to them. And I'm also loving a diary that it does have a monthly spread in it, which isn't really of interest to me considering I use the Google Calendar, but I do like the weekly spread. I'm finding this very helpful. So I'm excited, I feel more organized, and I hope you guys found this video interesting. Up the top here, you can check out my last video. Down the bottom, I'll leave a link to another one, and I'll see you in my next video.